Hello friends, in today's video, I am gonna show you how to download and install Magisk Manager in any Android device. So without wasting the time, let's open any of your browser. Type in search bar Magisk Manager Official. And this is the Magisk official website. Tap on it and open it. Now scroll down. As you can see, here is an option download Magisk app. Tap on it. And from here download latest Magisk app. After downloading the app, now let's move to the file manager and open here download folder. As you can see, here is APK of Magisk Manager. Tap on it and install it. App is installed now, so let's open it. As you can see, Magisk root is not installed yet. Now let's go back again in download folder and here rename its name. First of all, remove the written, and here we are gonna create APK file into zip format. So here we will type magisk.zip. Now tap on rename. You can see file extension is changed. Now let's reboot our phone into recovery mode. There is option of install. Tap on install. As you can see, the file exists here. Currently we have created into zip format. So let's tap on it. File is selected. Now swipe to flash it. As you can see, Magisk root is installing now. All done here, so let's reboot our phone. Now let's open Magisk Manager app. As you can see here, the latest Magisk root installed on our device successfully. Now let's open root checker app to confirm our device is rooted or not. Here let's tap on verify root. As you can see, our phone is successfully rooted with Magisk root. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.